Well, in an ideal world, they will pay you right away, but that doesn't happen. Not even outside of Fiverr. Have you been wondering how Fiverr rolls out payment for voiceover gigs? Well, apparently you are not the only one. Hey, what's happening? Welcome back to Speak Easy. This is the place where we can talk about your voiceover career, especially if you're just starting out. And if this is the first time we're meeting, hi! My name is Anna. I'm a freelance voiceover talent, and my goal for this channel is to help as many of you guys out by sharing some tips and tricks that I swear by. And I really think I'm most helpful to you guys when I answer your questions down at the comments section. I do have my computer over here so I can read the actual questions. They pay the moment they book you, right? Well, in an ideal world, they will pay you right away, but that doesn't happen. Not even outside of Fiverr or outside of Voice123. Even when we would go to the studios, we have direct clients, we have agencies hiring us for voiceover projects. It rarely ever happens that they pay you right away. There is a window for that because they need their checks cleared. They need to submit paperwork. So it doesn't happen. It very rarely happens that a client or an agency will pay you right away. And that's how it is for Fiverr too. After you deliver your project, your finished file to your client, Fiverr will give them 3 days to get back to you if they have any revisions that they need, and then you will need to work on that before you get paid. But for example, you don't hear from them after 3 days, then Fiverr will automatically pay you. That's right, you heard me right. Fiverr will be the one to pay you because the client will pay Fiverr, and that is why you will only get 80% of the total payment. Say for example, you were paid $10, you will only get $8 because Fiverr will get $2. And another thing is you cannot withdraw your money right away. There is a 14-day window that you will have to wait for your payment to clear. Now, after that, you can go ahead and withdraw. But here is a pro tip for you. Do not keep withdrawing your payment every time you finish a project on Fiverr, especially if you're only earning $10, $15 a pop. Wait, okay? Just hold out. Well, just wait for it to pile up into a substantial amount so you'll actually feel that you have earned something on Fiverr. Otherwise, $10 will just slip out of your hands in no time and you don't have anything to show for it. But if you wait enough, then you'll be able to buy something more substantial. And of course, that will also help you save on withdrawal fees because every time you withdraw from Fiverr, there is a certain amount of a fee that they ask from you. I think it's $1. Not sure. I can get back to you on that one. But that is my pro tip from me to you. And there you have it. And if you have anything else that you want me to clarify, let's get talking on the comment section down below. And I would like to ask you to hit that like button if you are getting value from this video. And I really do appreciate your support. And another way you can help me is by not skipping any of the ads on this video and my other videos. And I thank you for that in advance. And also, if you're looking for more voiceover tips and tricks, well then watch these videos on your screen. And with that, I wish you all a fantastic day and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers!